Home Depot login. How to sign in to your HomeDepot.com MyCard account. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into your Home Depot MyCard account, whether you want to manage your purchases, check your balance, or pay your bill. I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the Home Depot website. Open your browser and type in www.homedepot.com. Now, this site is where you can manage your Home Depot MyCard account, but you need to be in certain region to access this website. Now, once you're on the Home Depot homepage, look for the sign in button in the top right corner of the screen and click on it to proceed the login page. Now you'll be taken to the login page. Enter the email address and password associated with your Home Depot account in the fields provided. Make sure your details are correct to avoid any issues logging in. Now, if especially logging into your Home Depot MyCard account, look for the option that says MyCard or sign into your MyCard account right on the login page. Click that and it will take you to the MyCard login page where you can access your credit card details and manage your payments. Here you'll need to enter your MyCard specific login details. After that, that's how you simply learn how to sign into your Home Depot MyCard account.